Dryce Walker here with explanation. This time I'm going to show you how to unjam your garbage disposal easily. I'm going to show you all the 4 tools that you may have around your house, or you can even makeshift it so we can do what you need to do to make your garbage disposal work again. If it is jammed, the first thing is this key that comes with the garbage disposal. This is an Allen wrench, but it is an S shape, so it gives you leverage to turn. Underneath there is a hole in there that you put this and you turn to make it unjam and make the water go down without having to put your hands into the water. Second option, if this fails, is this bigger tool in here. With this one in here, you stick it into the garbage disposal and try to unjam whatever is jamming it, going side by side. I'm going to show you here how I do it. So you put it on the inside and you go one way and another, one way and another, one way and another, one way until it starts turning. Once it starts turning, you know that it's working. Then you can pull it out and try with your switch. You press the switch and it should work just fine. Now, if you don't have any one of these tools, I'm sure you have a set of Allen wrenches or one of these. This one gives you leverage and you fit also an Allen, any size fit for under your garbage disposal or an Allen wrench. Make sure you have the right size. You can stick it under the garbage disposal and turn, or this, you stick it under the garbage disposal and turn until it unjams. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Here, right in the center, there is a hole. You stick it in there and you turn until it unjams. See? And then the water, you're gonna hear the water going down once you turn it. With the other tool, the one that comes with the garbage disposal, you can go to any hardware store and you can get one of this cheap. And if you didn't keep this around because you threw it away, this is the best tool to unjam your garbage disposal. Go underneath. Again, let me show you. You put it right in the center. And then once it goes in, you can turn the blades by turning this tool. See how easy it goes? And if it is jammed, you can go back and forth until you unjam it and the water goes down. Once it unjams, you can either turn the garbage disposal on. If it jams again, it's because there's something hard in it. You will have to turn it off and put your hands in there, remove whatever is hard inside. Then you turn it down here again and turn your garbage disposal on. It's supposed to work. Dryce Walker here, explaining to you how to easily fix these things. See you next time with explanation.